Hey, top of the morning, we back at it again. Hey, look, man. Wake up and get to that bag. I don't care what y'all doing. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, man. Lock in with your boy. We coming daily with them as much as possible, as many that I can upload. It's gonna be some, listen, it's gonna be some struggles in this lifetime. I want y'all to understand that. It's gonna be some hate that's gonna come your way. It's gonna be some very emotional time where you're gonna feel like you by yourself. You keep going though. You keep going. Disregard any BS. You gotta disregard it. But just know this. The greats went through all this. Anybody that you look up to, they went through the trial and error. They went through that, bro. I'm telling you. Tap in with yourself. Lock in. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all. Lock in 2025. That's what I need y'all to do. So if you're gonna be on this channel, be ready to level up. I'm telling you, because I'm gonna push y'all to do that. I'm gonna make sure y'all level up. I need y'all to level up. You feel me? We about to get this day going. Look at this. I want y'all to see something. Look at the parking lot. Look at the parking lot. All these parking spots available. So that means it ain't no night drivers. Everybody trying to get off the road, and some people scared. But then you got other people. It's some out here. We got troopers out here. But usually these truck stops be full, and they be full because everybody be trying to get the money. But what's going on in the trucking game right now is the people that started COVID with that free money and all these trucks that just saturated the game, they weeding out. Rates is doubling right now. I just seen a rate going from Little Rock, Arkansas to Nashville, Tennessee. $6,200. Less than 20,000 pounds. It's getting ugly, but right now that's because ain't nobody. It's because of snowstorm coming and ain't that many trucks on the road. You gotta, it gotta flex out. They gotta put that bag up. You feel me? So we need to step on the broker's feet, punch them in their nose, whatever we gotta do. We're gonna make them keep that pay going. You feel me? But we gotta move as one. But anyway, I need y'all to lock in with your boy. Make sure y'all drop in the comments if you're a trucker, if you're an aspiring hustler, whatever you doing. I don't care what you doing. Just tap in, man. Give me some type of emoji and motivation for today. But hey, Money Hungry G's, man, lock in with your boy. Money Hungry the brand. I'm gonna be getting that challenge in a second. I'm about to push out. Come on, buddy. Starting this day out. Taking a shortcut. I don't even think I want to mess with none of that. Come on. Go get up this highway. The Hartford loves. Y'all didn't see it though. It's a lot of people still. Look at that. That tree fell down. Old barn tree. Ain't nobody live there no more. Now let's hope everything is, they got the salt down on the highway. They cleaning the highway up. Let's hope they got the salt down so we can do our natural speed limit. So we can be comfortable. But then you really can't do your own, you can't do the speed limit that you want to do because black ice be coming out of nowhere. But that's if it rains. See, right now it's going to look like it's pretty cool. A lot of these dudes they doing a regular speed limit from the looks of things. So we gonna adjust, y'all. We gonna adjust. Dude said he gonna do 70. He doing his 70. Look, he gone. know, I might do 65. I think I'm gonna do 65. Yeah, I'm gonna do 65. I ain't finna play with them. When you go over them bridges, though, that's where it get tricky at. Get tricky over the bridge. Like this bridge coming up. This where it get tricky. Like, as soon as you start, like, where it's not asphalt, it's like concrete. Look, all the accident right here. All these different rocks and debris. But yeah, I'm gonna get at y'all, man. Let me get up the highway, get in my zone, cut my music on and everything. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Y'all see this? Hold on real quick. This, I don't know how dude got over there. Yeah, he jumped the guardrail, bro. What are you doing? That's crazy. Oh, man. Hey, y'all, my bad. I was rolling today. Dang it. Where you was at? Why that's froze? I want to know why that's froze. Where that's coming from that's froze? All these parking spots, and you got dudes that want to park at the entrance. There's parking spots all through here. But y'all have to pull up to this 19. These them new truck stops. I don't know if you've seen in one of my other videos. It's crazy because it's like plenty of parking spots. I don't understand why some of these dudes parking where they parking at. Like there's so many other parking spots you can pull in and park. They parking all on the side, like it's parking spots in here. Like I don't know, but yeah, it's crazy because earlier somebody was dipping and they had a box, a flatbed, had a whole bunch of ladders on their truck. They came off. People were swerving and everything. But I don't know. 2025 is like for real. It's like lit. For real. It's crazy because all these parking spots back here. Come on, dude. Get out the highway with your dog, bro. What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? Cross over with your little mutt. Yeah, I'm always parking over here. Seem more legit for me to park this way. Yeah, get over, weirdo. You shaking your head, I'm supposed to park right here. It's just crazy. He mad that yeah, man, I'm gonna park right here, man. That's what I'm gonna do. So many parking spaces. I don't know why they all over there like that. I should be, if I'm shutting down right here, I should be parking. I should be up and at it in the morning at like 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, I should be in the game. Back and at it again, you feel me? Back and at it again. Let me see. Oh yeah, man, I'm parking for the night, y'all. Get at y'all in a little bit, quick little upload. You know, I've been dipping all day, so I'm trying to beat this snow, man. That's what I'm trying to do. I gotta get to Atlanta, turn around, and shoot back to Arkansas before this snowstorm comes. There's always somebody driving in the parking lot. Stupid. Like, bro, you don't even know, look. You know what he doing. All these parking spots. You driving in here going crazy, bro. Just don't hit my truck, bro. That's all I ask. Bro seem to not know what he's doing. He don't know where he want to park at. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. See, a lot of these drivers, they so used to rushing. They rushing. That's what's setting them up for failure, though. Setting them up for straight failure. Hey, money hungry, y'all see me. Hey, this right here, this is rice grain, beans, you know, all that type of stuff. That's what they be hauling in these. I actually need to see what's up with that, because we got a rice and beans and all that in Arkansas. I need to check and see what's up about that. Let me go this way. I know I don't see snow. Come on, not already. I don't want it to be no snow yet. W900 right there, I see him. He ready to get some money. He trucking, that's what he doing. Yes, sir. Nice. He ready to get that money. He pulling anything. A lot of these dudes is out here and they live out here. A lot of them live out here. I talked to a foreigner, he said he been out here for 2 years. He about to stack, buy a gas station, and then he gonna chill. What? Them the type of goals people come to this country having. Security camera. It's a nice little color, little car, RS. Oh. Woohoo. Homer Simpson car. Yeah, man. I remember all the females had them back in the day. It's warm in here. Shirts 2 for $20. Let me show you how much this off. So when you see us truckers with these headsets on, see that, right? This equipment is not cheap. It's not cheap. I don't have none of these yet. I don't think I'm gonna need one. Using my phone and original maps. Mic covers $8. That's, I don't need one right now because I got my brand new joint. I'm gonna stay away from this section right here. This section is not good for you guys. The chips and everything. None of that stuff is good for you. I don't even know what the heck I'm finna get. Gotta get some nuts, pistachios, Buy one, get one for $1 for the toffee peanuts. I might have to get these. Buy one of these. I got some trail mix already. Dang. They gonna make you spend $9. That's kind of good. Oh, I'm gonna just get the 2. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get the 2. I'm gonna spend them $10. 2 of these. I love the toffee nuts. That's gonna be the snack. 2 toffee nuts. You know what? I need to see something. This the one I got right here, right now. Okay, I need that. What is that? Advanced CV. I don't know. I keep telling y'all this stuff is expensive. They get you in here and then you just get to buying stuff. Just get to picking up stuff. Oh, $7. I got some food already. I'm gonna get these. It's $5 for that salad. I don't think I want to pay that. Let's see. That's for the kids there. Oh God. Pizza, 3 meat. What is that? Fried chicken? This look kind of suspicious. Classic steak burger. This the stuff you gotta stay away from, but it coming in handy. It definitely comes in handy. I'm finna spend like $20-something right now. Hold on, let me see what I'm finna get, y'all. I'll be right back with y'all. So, I'm out of here. I end up getting those nuts, of course. My last pop, man. 2025, no pop. I'll see how long I can go without it. This is my last junk bag, y'all. Last junk bag. Got me a slice of pizza. It's cheese. So I don't even eat cheese pizza. It's my last everything. I got a meal prep. That's what I gotta do. On a meal prep. I don't know what dude going with these boots on. Got these army boots on. It's a I don't know why they always got the cardboard right here like this. Like always. What's up, man? How you doing? All right. You follow me on YouTube, man. Check me out. YouTube, yeah. Money Hungry Kids on YouTube. Put me on YouTube, all right? The dude was watching me, trying to figure out what's going on. Look. Yeah. The Hemis.com at the core Hemis foot. They've been going crazy. They've been driving crazy all day. Oh, got it. You got it, bro. You got it. Got the pallet up here. It's there. It's there. Yeah, man. Check, see, when people park next to you, come out of nowhere, you gotta make sure they ain't did nothing. Hold on, y'all. Top of the morning, everybody. The challenge is on. The challenge is on. I'm trying to make it to my delivery. Pick up, turn around, and beat this snow, man. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do that, so that's what's going on right now. It's 31 degrees. We riding through Tennessee right now. Actually finna leave the truck stop. I remember I showed y'all last night. Everybody pulled in here late. People been pulling in late because of the snow and the traffic and stuff like that. It set you back. A lot of truck drivers like to leave out at like 4 or 5 in the morning and shut down about 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It's perfect time, but now everybody's shutting down at really like 9, 10 o'clock. You see all these trucks still parked. We about to get up out of here though, because we on a time limit. We trying to make this money and get back in the house. The storm come out of nowhere though, you feel me? Like, if I had knew this storm was coming last week, I probably wouldn't even be out here. They talked about it in like 3 days. Look at dude, they parking in the middle. Come on, bro. Like, come on, really? Y'all gotta do better. Y'all gotta do better, man. But anyway, man, if you new to my channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Money Hungry G's, Money Hungry the brand. That's what we doing. We not doing nothing else. I'm trying to get up this highway, get out the way. That's what I'm trying to do. Watch for ice. That's what we gotta watch for, the ice. It look like we cool right now. I pretty much gauge at how fast everybody else is going, because remember, the more somebody goes over concrete or whatever, the more they go over concrete, the more I'm good. Because it kind of like we gotta follow their tracks. Dude speaking on the freeway. But yeah, we about to get this party going, y'all. Get this party going. That's what we doing. Jumping on the 40 east right now. We're gonna go to 40. We're gonna go 280, 285. I'm gonna get back at y'all. Top of the morning. Y'all see the ice hanging down off the side of the mountain? That's so dope to me. But gonna keep trucking. I need to get up and back. I'll get back to y'all. See, the problem with people is, if you're gonna take the left lane, you gotta take the left lane and know what's going on. I don't know how much he got in the box, but I got almost 30 in the box. Now he gotta get over. Cut them hazards on, sir. We on the time limit, trying to get back. Trying to get back to Arkansas, y'all. Full grade, I bet you this KAG right here. Only people I can think of KAG, full grade is KAG. Yep, KAG, the burgundy full grade. Getting up this mountain, that's what we're trying to do. I gotta get over this mountain and get back down this mountain before the snow hit. Because if you know like I know, it's gonna be slipping, sliding like Skate Depot around this thing. Popping and everything. I gotta remember the South is bipolar. Look at that sun and sky. Beautiful, ain't it? It's because I'm headed south now. But when I head southwest, it's gonna be a wrap. Be over. It's a beautiful day in Georgia though. Now I'm here at the Loves. I'm trying to look at that sun. It's about to change, y'all. I'm gonna make sure I document it for y'all. But we waiting to get fuel now. Somebody went in there, I guess, I don't know what he went to go do, man. But I've been right here waiting for like 12 minutes. It's crazy. The countdown starts. I got 8 hours to make it to the house before this snow. Please get me there. I'm here. We on that route, top of the morning. I had to get my rest, y'all. Show y'all real brief. The sun coming up, it ain't up yet. But we rolling. We are rolling. Y'all might see some of these police. They be out here trying to get people, man. I just don't think it's right. But they be trying to get people. They be parked off in the side, in the bushes, in the middle of the. They be parked in the middle of the divider with their lights off. You can't see them till you get up on them and stuff like that. But you know, it's 20 degrees right now, so the temperature is dropping. I'm outside of Memphis in what they call Oakland. It's crazy, but. I'm trying to make it. But I'll get with y'all in a minute. Just give y'all a quick little update. Top of the morning though. It's looking okay in Memphis right now. We headed across the Mississippi River as we speak. Back over into Arkansas. It's looking okay right now. So I'm just trying to make it to this delivery so I can get to the house. That's all I'm trying to do. Right now it's 26 degrees and we officially are in Arkansas right now. So I got a couple more. That water, the edge of that river is freezing though. That ain't good. Let's see, am I gonna get a green? The scale is open. Man, come on, y'all. That's what y'all wanna do this morning? All these dudes behind me, they running. They all running. It's too cold. Good, they didn't pull me in because I didn't need that time right now to be getting pulled in the scale. I didn't have time for that today. They done pulled 2 people over. I was 32 on my last axle, and I was 31 on my drive. 11 on my steer. I was good. Better not have to stop me. Look, I'm talking that smack down, right? Yes, sir. It looked like a regular day, but supposedly it's gonna change, so get to y'all, man. Hurry up and clear this out. Hey, made it to my delivery, y'all. It's still looking good. No snow right now, so that's a good thing. You know, still looking great. Still looking wonderful out here. Look at that sky. But it's coming though. And I made it. I'm here. They unloading your boy right now. Let's see how long it take. Yeah. So I made it. Truck parked. I got it now. I'm about to make sure I put some on these windows so I can avoid snow when it's time to pull back out. So that's what. With this. Put these on the windows. Hold on. You want to make sure it's long enough and wide enough to go across the whole front window, because when it's time for me to roll back out again, I ain't gonna be able to get snow. It's gonna be windshield wipers gonna be locked up, and you can't use them. I should have brought y'all with me. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Got that off. Sometimes that's a hassle. Remember, we're gonna see how much this snow right now. That was it. Okay. I'm gonna get up there and put the carpet on there. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I think it's gonna last. See, I'm worried about the wind blowing now. So I got it up there. We're gonna see how it hold off. I don't know. I think I need like some bungee cords or something. Some bungee cords. Okay. Put it down in there. So I gotta lift the other side up and put it down in there. That's what I gotta do. Okay. Hold on, I gotta get a stand because I want y'all to see where it go. Hold on. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it like this. I should be good. I have 2 visuals I can see out of both of these. I need the motors to work so the snow is not gonna get on the motors of the windshield wiper, but I gotta find me something better because he did a good job covering his whole tarp up and he tarped it up. He not going nowhere. That's really good. Yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. But I made it to the house. Man. and we're gonna see how it go. No snow yet, but we're gonna see how it work out. If you made it this far in the video, man, drop a comment. Drop a comment for your boy. We done made it all the way here, man. You know, hey, a successful out and in. You know, it's for a truck driver to make it to where he's trying to get to. Good thing to make it where you're trying to get to and make it back to the house. But yeah, man, drop a comment, subscribe. I'm gonna get at y'all.